So, Shai,
Yeah,
where do you find your talents?
exactly here. We're in the middle of Machane Yehuda Shuk, and what you guys are seeing around us are the different talents, different mixes.
All these cyber companies in Israel, one of my time guys, someone from abroad, someone from, how can he fit into that field? If he's not from one of my time, does he have a place in the cybersecurity field in Israel as a developer?
So, first of all, I think that the term Shmona Matayim is over abused. We're seeing guys who made coffee in Shmona Matayim and claiming to have a cyber experience.
Exactly.
But seriously, I think that what is actually needed is a unique approach to problems and the ability to tackle issues from a completely different perspective. Part of the interview that we did to our employees, and you're going to see them later on, was challenging them with a real problem. For example, if I'm giving you, we're in 2025, you're seeing a connected car. It's a typical thing in the future, and what type of attacks can happen in a connected car scenario, autonomous driving, etc. We're looking for those fresh minds that will think different and approach the problem in a completely different manner. This is, by the way, how we pick our startups. In many cases, I'm seeing excellent guys, excellent teams, but they come with what I call a more evolutionary type of solutions, which means better accuracy, better performance. CyberGuild will usually not invest in these type of startups. We're looking for those who are ready to change the paradigms. And by saying changing the paradigms, I explained. I think that one of the biggest problems today of the industry is the fact that there are so many cyber solutions. The typical number ranges between 50 to 100 different cyber solutions from different ISVs in a typical IT, which creates a lot of burden and complexity for the organization. It takes a lot of money. If someone can come and get rid of all of that and bring a solution that will make others redundant, this is something that we're looking for.
How do you, the test itself, when you hire someone, what specifically are you testing them in? What are you looking for? You say you're looking for someone who can disrupt and think creative, think out of the box. How do you do that?
I don't think that we're actually testing or checking the exact, let's say, grammar of the programming language, because learning how to program is easy. Today with all those online academies, people can start and learn this from scratch. We're actually looking to see how people think. Some of the folks that work for us today, we believe that they think differently. We usually present a problem, which even if that person doesn't even thinking about how to maybe even he never tackled such a problem, the idea is that we want to see how he thinks, he or she thinks. So that's it in a nutshell. I think that in Israel we have a very unique opportunity to influence at a very early level. I think that the key difference between startups out of the country and what we're seeing here is the fact that we empower people to think big, to challenge things, and to come with a completely, again, fresh angles to the problems. And I think that why you guys should come to Israel. In addition to all the goodness that is here, you can actually build yourself and empower yourself to become real entrepreneurs. And that's why we wanted you to come. So,
amazing. Thanks a lot, Shai.